it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. Yeah, about to see it shine, 'cause we're golden.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we got a freaking iPad mini. It's a brand new sealed iPad mini, first generation Wi-Fi cellular, 16GB wide, and judging by this cover in front, it's still running iOS 7. Hopefully it is at least running iOS 7, because if it's not, I'm gonna return this thing because I don't want it. Alright, so we got a handy dandy knife here, so let's just open this boy up. So when I bought it on the store, they're like having a quick little sale of these old iPads, like 2 of them running iOS 6 and 1 of them is running iOS 7, and I picked the iOS 7 one because I might actually use it as a daily iPad, and iOS 6 is more unusable, but iOS 7 is more usable. Plus I already have an iPhone 5 on iOS 6 and an iPod Touch 5th generation iOS 6, so I figured out why not just pick an iOS 7 one. And also, they're having a lot of sale. I mean, they have like a brand new iPad Air, of course they're running iOS 7, like a lot of them, and there's 3 iPad mini, and they're selling it for a cheap price, because I think this Apple Store are going down for business. And yeah, I mean, as you can see here, this Apple Store are really clearing out their old iPads. I mean, they have an iPad 1, but I can't find one. I only can find these 2 iPads, the iPad Air and the mini, and that's it. I mean, they're still selling a lot of stuff too, like the old product, like the old mouse, old Magic Trackpad, the old keyboard as shown in this picture. And yeah, it's pretty interesting when an Apple Store closed down. They're really trying to sell everything they got. Okay, so as you can see, sealed deal. Look, I still got some regulatory somethings there. iPad mini, first generation. This is not the Retina model. Some weird markings. It's a little dirty right there, just kind of sad. And yeah, once I open this plastic, this iPad is no longer a virgin. So yeah. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. This iPad has never been opened. I'm pretty sure since 2013, 2012, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, oh boy. Brand new iPad, 16 gig. Oh Jesus Christ. 16GB silver. Straight out of the Apple Store, or at least a premium resale, because we don't have any Apple Store in Indonesia, which is gonna suck, but it is what it is. So let's just cut this bad boy in. Ooh. Alright, here we go. Shush. Oh yes, boys. Look at that. Ooh-wee. I have no idea if this thing out of frame. If it was not, I am so sorry, because I'm actually on the side of the camera. But here we go. Unversion. Alright, so let's open it up in 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that! Brand spanking new iPad mini, boys, with a little dust on it already. God damn, that's amazing. Let's take the iPad out. Ooh, never been touched since 2012. Touch that little guy right there. Ooh, look at that. Got fingerprints all over it. It's amazing silver. Look at that. Let's put it aside. Let's see what we got inside here. We got a lightning cable. We don't need that. A little bit yellow, designed by Apple California with the old font. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside here. We got a SIM ejection tool, because this is actually the cellular model. And once we open it up, we got a iPad mini sleep wake button, and it's another one in Indonesian. iPad mini info, another one in Indonesian. Warranty, we don't need this crap. And we got Apple stickers, which is what we care about. And unfortunately we got the small brick actually, which is not the iPad one. This is actually the same one as the iPhone. This is actually pretty interesting, huh? Alright, so that's it in the box, and let's take a look at the iPad. Okay, so here is the boys, the iPad mini, 16GB silver cellular model. Look at that, still wrapped. Alright, so let's open it. Shut this, shush. Look at this. Oh yes, boys. Oh yes, boys, look at that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm too over exaggerating, but holy crap, look at that. Haven't been touched since 2012, 2011, I don't know. 2013, I'm sorry. Look at that. Sleek AF, boy. The first gen, not the Retina model, so we still got the normal home button here. We got a power button, the cellular antenna. We got another mic, headphone jack, which is Apple removes. God damn it. And we got a mute switch that we can actually control to lock the thing in the screen. We got a volume rocker, a SIM tray, which is a nano SIM, I think. We got two speakers. I think one of them is not actually a speaker, but we don't know. And we got a lightning port, and that's it. Full of fingerprints already, god damn it. So yeah, I don't think this actually has any power since it's actually been turned on in a couple of years. So let's hope it runs on iOS 7. If it runs on iOS 9, I will throw this thing out the window. I swear to God I will do that. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1. iOS 7, please turn on. And it's freaking dead, so we're gonna charge it up real quick. Okay, so after 15-ish minutes later, this old battery finally turns on with 2% of charge. And let's light it up. And to notice like an iPad Immediate 2 and a normal one, we got a screen separation up there, so it's not like immediately laminated to the display, so there's a little gap on the display with the glass. So that's quick to know. So yeah, let's quickly set up this iPad and hopefully it is running on iOS 7, and we'll get you guys later once we finish setting it up. And here we go. Welcome to the iPad in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh yes, boys, this is iOS 7. Oh, it's slow. It's slow. So this is probably iOS 7.0-ish, and yes, oh wow, this is actually it. Look at that. 7.0.3. Damn, this is actually one of the first iOS 7 versions. So let me disable Wi-Fi before. Oh, look at that old control center. That beautiful control center, because before Apple kills the transparency after iOS 8. So let me get another iPhone to block the update so it doesn't see iOS 9. Okay, let's restart it. So for the moment of truth, let's go to settings and software update. And please block the update. Please block the fucking update. iOS 7.0.3, your software is up to date. Fuck iOS 9.3.6. Okay guys, so here it is. Brand spanking new iPad mini. I mean, what can I say? Everything works. Everything gotta be working. I mean, this is a brand new iPad. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.